Hello, this program explains the greatest common divisor program. When we run this program, it asks for two integers, 12, 8. The output, the greatest common divisor for 12 and 8 is 4. This program is made of these two functions. The main function gets the two numbers and calls GCD and passes the two arguments n1 and n2. GCD finds the greatest common divisor and returns the GCD. I use this table to explain how the program works. Assume that the parameter n1 is 12, the parameter n2 is 8. We start by assuming that the GCD is 1, and we test for k equals 2. Now we check, is 12 divisible by k without any remainder? If yes, and if 8 is divisible by k without any remainder, then in this case, yes, 12 is divisible by 2 and 8 is divisible by k, so this is true. Now because 2 divides n1 and n2, we make GCD 2. Now we try for all k from 2 until 8, which is the smallest number among n1 and n2. Now 3 does divide 12 but does not divide 8, so this is false, and we keep GCD 2. For 12 is divisible by 4 and 8 is divisible by 4, so this is true. We make GCD 4. 12 is not divisible by 5, so GCD remain 4. 8 is not divisible by 6. Both of them are not divisible by 7. 8 is divisible by 8, but 12 is not divisible by 8. So the GCD is 4. Now this is the program. I will debug it using Visual Studio. The main function gets the first integer and the second integer and calls GCD. I'll insert here a breakpoint and debug this program, start debugging it. The first integer is 12, the second is 8. Now the program stops here in this GCD function. The main function has n1 and n2 equals 12 and 8. The GCD, its parameters n1 is 12 and n2 is 8. n1 and n2. GCD is not defined yet, so let's execute this program one step at a time. I have executed line 7, so GCD is 1. Now k is 2. K is 2. We'll keep executing this loop for all values k less than or n1 and k less than or equal n2, which is for k between 2 and 8. Now for the test, n1 is 12, k is 2, n2 is 8, k is 2. Both numbers are divisible by 2, then GCD will become k, which is 2. Now k is incremented to 3. We continue executing the while loop. K is smaller than 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so we skip to increment k to 4. We're still less than or equal 8, so both numbers are divisible by 4. GCD becomes k. K is incremented to 5. Now 5 until 8, all these numbers do not divide n1, therefore the while loop ends. We execute the return statement with JCD equals 4. Now the output will be the greatest common divisor for 12 and 8 is 4. This is the end of this recording.